4-in-1 Aquarium Tools. The tool set includes one 10.6 curved scissors, one 12.5 sand spatula, one 10.6 straight tweezers, one 10.6 curved tweezers, one 7.5 x 7.5 cleaning cloth. It also comes with a durable velvety bag to help you to store these tools well after use. The toolkits would be a nice gift for aquarium beginners or experienced ones. Premium stainless steel made. The 4 pieces of tools are made of quality stainless steel. It's sturdy, good grip and no rusting. The aquatic plant tools are black color, looks cool and premium. A kind of black paint was sprayed on the whole tool to prevent the metal tools get rusting. Keep the tools dry and clean after using is also very important to prevent rusts. Perfect for aquarium starters. Must have for aquascaping. It would be great toolkit to make working in your tank much easier. We suggest for small and mini fish tank use. All the tools are sturdy, easy to use. In order to make the tools look and perform like brand new, please hang them to dry after using them, then store them back to the velvety pouch. Wide application tool set. Helpful tools for aquarium plants tidying, tiny gardening, bonsai pruning. The curved pruning scissors with thick blades, sharp enough for easy trimming. The 2 anti-slip Desgin tweezers is good for adjusting, picking out something, planting or feedings. The sand spatula is good for smoothing out substrate and scrapping the algae. Tools comes with protective ends. When you take the tools out of the pouch, you will find protective ends on the pointed end of the tools. Please don't throw them away. You can use them again after you finishing all the work. It's for protecting your hands from stabbing or scratching when you take them out next time. Top reviews from the United States. 1000% recommend. A version of this set, much lower quality items and brand, is available at my local pet stores starting at $65 for the set. Here I got hygger products, quality at a super cheap price. Honestly, I thought it would be a scam of some sort, but was pleasantly surprised when it arrived on time as well.